Welcome to Techno RPA channel. Please like and subscribe. In this session, we will learn about the string operation part 2. In this section, we will see that the lowercase, uppercase, stream, and to number to boolean, how it will works and how we will use this one. So before this going to this part 2 video, I will suggest please go to the part 1 operation also video, and I have already shared this link in the description box. Today we will learn about the rest of the string operation. So we have already discussed up to length. So now we will discuss today is the lowercase. So for that we need to create the first the variable. So let's go to create the variable by clicking the variable. So I'll take the full name and create the variable. So we need to edit this one and we need to put here in the capital letter. So the Ajay Kumar we have enter, and now we go to the string operation. So let's we are working on lowercase. So what is the source string? So we have a full name. So click on the full name, click yes insert and create the variable where you want to save the output. So here we get the lower string. So create the variable here and for the message, uh, type the message box, drag and drop and click here the message box. So what you want to hear, drag and drop lower string, insert it and see, save and run it. Let's see what is the output. So it will be convert all the capital letter into the small letter. Let's see. We have initialized the capital letter Ajay Kumar, but the output will be thrown by the automation anywhere is Ajay Kumar in a small letter. Now we will do the same thing as a uppercase. So let's start for the uppercase. So we have the string as a lowercase output as the lower string. So now the same thing we will in source string we will take the lower string, right? And the output will be stored in the another variable. So for that we need to create the uh, variable. So let's suppose upper string. So that's one. So now if you want to display the same message, so you need to remove this one and mark as a uppercase. So if you write the upper string here, so now you can save it and run. See the output. It's taking time some. Yes, now you can see the lowercase output is AJAY Kumar in the small letter, but if you use the uppercase, then the bot will be throw the output as a in capital letter. Now we will learn about the trim function. So let's start. So this is the trim function. So let's come to the notepad. What exactly do this action? So let's suppose in my name there is Ajay Kumar. So consider like that. So if it is a space in the starting, here it is a space also and here it is also a space. So this function will be remove the both side space where you want to remove the space. So let's do that. The same thing here also. So my variable. So in I have already created the variable. So you can check here the edit and let's suppose if I put here the space, this is one a space in the at the end and the starting we have not. So let's done. So you can put here the full name and insert the text. So it asks where you want to remove the space. So it start from the beginning or end. So by default it consider as a end or beginning. So let's start the message box also, so that we can see that, or yes, message, if you want to check this one. So display the message, trim text, save it, and run one. Takes some time. So what is does exactly means it remove the both side. If it is a space, then it will be remove the space. That's it. Now we will learn about the to number, how to convert a string to numbers. So let's suppose in my one variable, that is the string variable, and it consider as a vnum vnum. uh, if you go and edit it, let's suppose the initial value is 10, so it consider as a string, right? So if you want to convert into the number, so how can I do this? So you select here the string type vnum and insert. The output will be stored in the as a number, if you see here. So if you want to number, then let's display number, create. If you check the variable type here, so it gives you the display number. So it is the number type. So it is automatically convert to a string to number. Similar way you can try also the to boolean. So what it does the action, it's a string to the convert it to the boolean type. So you can try this one at your end also. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your support.